somewhere. Alright, heading home. Another wonderful day of work. It is chilly too. Supposedly the last day of being cold and rainy. Tomorrow's supposed to warm up the 60s or 70s, so we'll see about that. I'm sure liking these heated grips though. Got this. Bought rain gear when I went down to Washington. Never used it. So I've been using it this week and it's worked out really good. I mean, it's super bright, as you can see. And just trying to figure out what this one's gonna do. I bought it from Walmart. It was only, I think it was 30 bucks for the top and the bottom, which is not bad at all compared to what you could spend for a quote motorcycle one. Wearing all the regular gear that I would normally wear, plus this this jacket here, and it does pretty good. I haven't gotten wet. I've also got grocery bags on my feet, but with this bike I don't feel like my feet get as wet as they did on the KLR. Granted, I haven't really ridden in real heavy rain yet. This is, you know, the most of it so far, so it'll be interesting to see get any rain on the way home, what happens. I'm not wearing the pants, I'm wearing my regular pants. Again, I think this jacket comes way down below my crotch, which is right where you, and anybody that rides knows is that's where you get wet. Plus this tank bag's keeping the water from going down the tank onto the seat and into there, so kind of just feeling things out right now of what works and what doesn't. bike's been great. Gosh, I don't think I've said I've done anything recently. So yeah, I went and did the service 2 weeks ago. About 400 miles overdue. Oops. But bike's been great. Actually, what? I'm at 1476 right now on it. Okay, what are you waiting for? An invitation? Fighting with the Scala because I have the radio on and it's playing a horrible station that I can't deal with, and I can't figure out how to change the stupid station. Might just shut it off. Just a distraction at this point. Yep, getting shut off. Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't know if it's starting to fail, the Scala, or what, but lately it's been giving me some trouble. The guy I always ride with, that I bought the Scalas with, they unpaired us so that we couldn't communicate. And through fronting around with them and looking it up on the internet, we finally figured it out. Or I should say he did. And it's been acting funny. It disconnects and reconnects to the phone. A lot of other strange things, so I don't know if it's starting to malfunction and fail or what. And we have people like this that I always wonder, what are you doing? Most of the people, especially around this town, fly when they're driving. They do not slow down. Their speed limit's 30, so that means like 40, 50 miles an hour down this road is norm. And this lady's doing the speed limit exactly. So is it because I'm behind her? Or is it just because she's being cautious because of the rain? Trying to fall behind her, and it's kind of difficult when she's not accelerating at all. Last night I kind of mad at myself. I had watched one of Everride's video. It had to be, it's over a year now ago, about making a windscreen out of a plastic garbage can. And I actually made one, a short one, because I had the tall one on the KLR, and it worked out great. It was awesome. And when I got rid of the bike, let's see, like a week ago or so, I cleaned the garage out, and I think I threw all that stuff out, fortunately, because now I was looking last night and I wanted to make a front fender extender to drop down the fender a little bit further so it doesn't spray up as much and spray up onto the front of the engine, because that's right where your oil cooler and your oil filter are. I don't have the cash right now to go get a skid plate or anything that would cover all that, so I was thinking at least that's something to start, at least. And I couldn't find them last night. I was looking all over the garage and I realized, crap, I'm pretty sure I chucked them, which was stupid, but not horrible. The garbage can I got from Odd Lot by my house for $4. So it's not a huge loss. It just would have been nice if I didn't have to spend any money and got something done, you know. But it is what it is. And of course, wow. Err on the side of caution here and not try to do that. Wow. What are we doing? I just don't understand it. Anyway, so yeah, it would have been nice not to have to spend any money except for maybe some hardware, some stainless screws or something. But I did make it out of cardboard just to make a template, so it's easier when I do get the piece to make it. I actually think I'm going to use some metal to strengthen it too. So I got that going. Started at least. And they also make one for the back fender so it doesn't spray up onto the shock and spring on the monoshock there. That's another one that I would like to try to make, because really the ones you're buying at the stores you're spending $40, $50, $60 on, and they are absolutely nothing special. And I don't see the reason for the price. You can make it yourself. I mean, the back one just zip ties in. The ones that I've seen to go in, you're just zip tying them in. I mean, how hard is